Hello, class
This
9.
call is now being recorded.
Today we are going to do exponents and its laws. So, any expression any expression of the type a to the power any expression a to the power m is known as exponent. Okay, any expression a to the power m is known as exponent. Here a is called base and m is called its power. Now we have laws of exponents. First law is a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Let's take an example to understand this. Example is 2 to the power 2 by 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 1 by 3. This is of the type a to the power m into a to the power n. So now this will be 2 to the power. If we have any expression like this, we'll add the powers 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Now we can take LCM of denominators. Both the denominators are same, so LCM will be 3. So numerators will be added directly. So it will be 2 plus 1 upon 3. So 2 to the power 3 upon 3. It means 2 to the power 1. So this can be written as 2. So this is use of this first law. Second law is a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Okay, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Suppose I am having 7 to the power 7 to the power 1 by 3 divided by 7 to the power 1 by 5 divided by 7 to the power 1 by 3. Now if we'll apply the second rule, it will be 7 to the power 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. Now you can solve this. It will be LCM is 15. Now 3 minus 5. It will be 7 to the power minus 2 by 15. Okay. Now third law. Third law of exponents is a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. This is multiplication of powers. When we have power to the power, it is multiplication of powers. So let us take an example. 1 by 3 to the power 5 to the power 4. Now we have in numerator it will be very simple, 1 to the power 4, and in denominator it is 3 to the power 5 to the power 4. So now it will be 1 to the power 4 means 1, and 3 to the power 5 to the power 4 is 3 to the power 20. Next is a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to a into b to the power m. You can see here we have equal powers but different bases. So it will be multiplication of bases and the common power will be applied on them. So let's take an example. We have 7 to the power 1 by 2 multiplied by 8 to the power 1 by 2. Here you can see powers are same and bases are different. It will give 7 into 8 to the power 1 by 2. So now it will be 7 into 8, 56. 56 to the power 1 by 2. Okay. And one more property is there, which is already explained in class 8. It is a to the power 0 is 1. Means value of any number, if its power is 0 is 1. This is example. So these are all the laws of exponents. This will help you in solving exercise 1.6. Thank you.